Welcome back, guys. So this is how the kitchen was when we moved in. It was just natural woods and it was beautiful, but I wanted something different. This was the previous carpet, so obviously we had to change the carpet. We got the new carpet from B&Q and it was the most expensive item for this kitchen. Honestly, guys, everything in this kitchen is below, let's say my budget was about £500 and I delivered. So obviously I'm just showing you guys the cabin, and this is how the cabinet was. And this was a Dcfix gray sticky back paper I bought from B&Q. So I bought the first ones from B&Q, but they were not enough, so I had to get more from Very. So this is how the kitchen was before. It was beautiful. I don't mind. I think it was lovely, but I wanted something different. So we met this washing machine in the house, but I obviously have another one coming with me, so I had to let that go. And also I don't need a small fridge because I have a long fridge. I also had to give this out as well. So this is how the kitchen was. Now to the final reveal. So this is my kitchen, guys. It looks so beautiful. I did this DIY before where I could spray the leg of those bars too. So I think the video should be in my channel. You could check that out. So this space is just for my kids to have breakfast in the morning, for both of them to have breakfast in the morning. So this is the kitchen. It looks so beautiful. I really love how it looks. So I got the carpet from TikTok. If you go over to my TikTok shop, you're gonna see it is very beautiful. So this is just where I do washing, and I'm trying to change the plate rack. I think I'm looking for a gold one, but I haven't seen it yet because I want the kitchen to be gold and gray. I don't know if you guys understand. That's the idea, for it to be gold and gray. So previously I had a gray washing machine, so I brought that in. Like I said, I got the carpet from TikTok. You could check out my TikTok shop and you could get this lovely carpet. It's very easy to wash. Just straight to the washing machine and you are done. And I got the spoon rest from BM, and I got some 2 utensils because I got one from Shein. I think you've seen in the previous video, so I don't know which one to use. Should I use the gray or should I use the gold one? Then I got the kettle from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down on the description. So this is my breakfast area, little microwave and placemat, and coffee, sugar containers I got from Amazon as well. My bin is here because I removed the old fridge and put the bin there. It's easier for me. And then because of that, I went ahead and bought some new pots because my old pots, look at them, they are a complete embarrassment. Well, I've been waiting, like, when I finish doing my kitchen before I'm gonna buy a new pot, and now I'm done with my kitchen. So I went ahead and got this pot from Asda. So I got all the sets of pan and pots from Asda. They are so beautiful. I'm just being dramatic showing you guys the pots again, don't mind me. And my kids were there as well to stop it. So these are the previous pots, complete nuisance. And I'm the one Dr. Aproko was talking about. Nkechi, if your pot is looking like this, straight away. So now I've gotten rid of it, guys. Peace be still. So this is the new pans, and I'm just trying to show you guys, unbox it for you guys. It's really beautiful. I love the color. It matches my kitchen. So the idea of the kitchen, like I said, I'm going with gray and gold. So very soon I'm going to get rid of the dish rack and get a gold one because that's what I'm going for. But for now, I'm still going to use that. Just continue watching the video. These are my pan comparison to the old one, this disgusting pans. This is the new pots. The pots are so beautiful. I love the pan and I love the wooden handles as well. I got from Asda, very affordable, and I really do love them. So I've not decided on what to use. So I also got some plates and from Asda as well. I really love shopping from Asda, and I also got all these what's it called, containers from home again. So I was just trying to declutter my area, make sure I get everything organized and beautiful. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just showing you guys my spice drawer that is so disorganized. Some spice have inspired since only God knows when, but thank God I was able to arrange them and organize it so beautiful. Make sure you subscribe if you don't subscribe to the channel. More DIYs are going to be coming, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Make sure you comment, like, and share, and all the good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Continue watching the video, okay? So this is the final look of my kitchen. I really love this DIY transformation of my favorite part of the house. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and tell me your favorite parts of my kitchen. If you'd like to see more of DIY videos, comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.